beautifully struck. Is this the day that the Rainbow Nation finds the pot of gold at the end?
The side has hardly felt any pressure at all in this tournament. They're going to have to hit something pretty special, it seems, to get out of this one. Is this the last throw of the dice for India? Jasprit Bumrah has to break this now.
I'm only believe on Jesse Bhai.
Oh, he's got him! He has done the job! He's broken through, the big man turns round and looks at the shattered stumps. India are seriously back in this.
What a bowler, what a time to get a wicket. Champion stuff from a true champion. Bumrah cracks this game open.